Billionaire's son enters deadly standoff with cops. Midwest safety yet again. I spelled it right this time, guys.
Just had someone threatening the direction worker. He was outside of his car, put a vest on, and then started waving a knife around, "I'm going to kill you," and then peeled out of here. He just left through the field next to our dispensary, but we do have his ID.
I believe
no
that
way.
this is going to be that same subject from the reckless operator up at Arby's.
Nearly an hour after the 911 call, Ohio State Highway Patrol pursued the $100,000 Land Rover Defender south near Cincinnati through West Union. Despite successfully deploying stop sticks, the chase continued at speeds over 100 miles per hour.
Who is this guy? Oh, he's gone. He's gone.
By this point, officers likely identified their suspect as Christopher Lindner of the multi-billion-dollar Lindner family, nothing short of a Cincinnati dynasty. Their name is stamped across sports stadiums, private school and university complexes, research centers, and more. Even the very gas station chain where police deployed stop sticks is owned by the family. Despite their success, Christopher holds a troubled history. 3 weeks earlier, his wife obtained a restraining order after telling police he believed he was Jesus Christ and needed to help bring on the rapture. She allegedly watched security footage inside their home of Christopher, equipped with a bulletproof vest and a sidearm, commanding non-existent angels in a battle against demons that were not there. Several years prior, in 2019, she told police that while under the influence of drugs and alcohol, he screamed obscenities while pointing a gun at her and their 4 children. She hand-wrote details of physical abuse in the following years, citing more threats with guns. Some incidents were allegedly documented with photographs. She described a separate incident where he claimed to be the prophet Elijah reincarnated on a mission to destroy God's enemies. He allegedly squeezed her arm to ask if she was an enemy and threatened to crush and destroy her if she was, adding he wanted to kill others he believed were following him. Courts ordered Christopher's gun seized from his properties, but officials failed to do so. His history indicates he may be a survivalist stockpiling dozens, if not hundreds of guns and rifles and thousands of rounds of ammunition. A detail officers might have in mind as the pursuit leads straight to his house.
Mario Kart.
Friendly resident.
Oh, he made it. Huge place.
Stop him before he gets into that house, so you don't let him getting into the house.
He's got back through the woods. I'm gonna try to follow.
You might just drove through the woods?
We're on a trail down into the woods.
Speak clearly, brother.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find back through here without getting hung up.
You're clear.
I feel like your car should have a handle.
Okay.
What is he groaning for?
For Unit 7.
What happened?
He kept through the woods. He's back out on the road.
Clear on back out on the road. Back out on the road.
Okay.
Correction, we're on a gravel drive. He's up towards the residence.
Bro, it sounds like he's about to take like a dump or something. Like, this is annoying to
We're
listen.
going to be in the gravel driveway going back to that residence.
We made it inside. Exactly what y'all didn't want.
He made it in the house before I was able to get out.
Bro. I'll just get a bigger gun. Sword. I mean, at this point, you didn't get them. Can't drive for shit, brother. I mean, that car's not even yours. I mean, I'd be huffing that puppy. I don't care. Like,
I can cover this one side, but that's it. I'm away from the house, posted up in the woods.
6-6 up on the other corner of the house. We're gonna get 490 out of there.
531 to get to where you're at. I'm gonna have to make a long run.
all right, let's get to where he makes some contact.
I have a hard time. I know where you're at.
So y'all had to call him,
Alright, clear.
or he called 911.
Look, all right, hey, I've got it covered. You guys move when you're set, I'll move.
Officers leapfrog coverage for each other until they are roughly 130 yards from the house.
I'll make it all the way back to the creek.
All right, where are we at?
Well, I didn't want to get this uniform filthy to maintain visuals.
What if I possibly?
Bro, they need to find a way to like detain them before, like, while in the car still. Like, I feel like this is the third video now we've watched that it's just gotten into a huge thing because on the road you weren't able to actually
The
stop them.
lock? Yeah, I
It's
made sure I hit
fine.
the lock like 4 times before we moved.
That would have been the move, though. If you could have theoretically stopped him, that would have been the thing to do. Dude.
Because those trees aren't going to do anything against a 50.
Is there a high top window on the right side where your car is?
Nothing is
there was
happening.
one, and then
It's
there's
getting
another section of
annoying.
the house that, like,
What are we
jumped pretty bad
doing?
because there's-
Where's the axe?
I was good where I was at. I was actually like super comfortable too.
His body camera as the battery dwindles, creating a 30-minute gap in the footage currently available to the public. When footage resumes, multiple camera angles capture the chaos that unfolds.
He's on the top balcony.
Is he on that side over there? I can hear somebody talking.
He's up top on the balcony yelling.
Oh,
Shots fired, shots fired. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
there's the action.
Hold your fire unless you have a shot. Hold your fire. Shots fired. 5 person. He's on the top balcony.
Y'all
Hey, are
shot?
you guys good? 490 to 7. All
Y'all
units down
shot
here
like
are
that?
good.
Damn.
I can see the whole balcony where he came off. I don't know. I probably dumped 6 or 7 rounds, I think. I had
Yeah.
a sight picture on him when I was shooting, but I got a lot of freaking foliage between me and there. All right.
4 or 5 on him.
I had a sight
well, he's
picture
done.
in the silhouette, but then, I mean, I had so much picking up in front of my muzzle I couldn't see after that.
Okay, there was like
Yeah,
almost
so-
no action in there.
No, it's going to really suck when this sun goes down. If he's got thermal, we're going to be fucking blind. I mean, we dumped a lot of rounds.
All units here are okay.
Oh, y'all didn't hit
On
him?
the suspect, right? In the same spot. We'll let you know if he moves. Bravo plan to get for medical.
Hey, be smart about this. Don't move in one big mass. Move in teams so we can cover each other.
Did they hit it? That was a lot of shots, man. They had to have hit him.
Got in front. Watch front, too. Right side's clear. Is anything up here?
The front door is on the right side.
Okay. There's a gun in that one. What do you see?
Fishing poles. It's just an entryway with a bunch of closed doors.
Does it go into the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't see.
Try the door now.
I'm scared. I'm getting...
Hey, that thing ain't going in. I can break this window and unlock it, Cap.
There you go. Smarter, not harder.
All right, here we go. Yep. Entry. Get on me. I'm on you. Clear. I'm going. I got this side. You got that side. Okay. You want to make entry here? Which one? Make entry.
I mean, he's probably dead. I understand the caution, but he's probably dead.
Okay, come on up. Come behind you.
Where's the balcony?
Got it? Yep. Clear. Move it.
Y'all set the fire alarm off? How?
Clear. Here, well, going down. On the ground. Okay. Moving up. Easy. Slow. Slow down. Ready, Nate?
This is messy, bro. This is not clean at all.
He's going right. Ready? I'm down, body. Right. I got eyes on. Stand by.
Dude, he's definitely dead.
Gun on his feet. Down. Done. Down. Clear that gun. Set it down.
How could you not have confirmed that after you took the shot? You saw him. Could you not have confirmed if he was down? I mean, there was no other way to do this but storming the house like that? All sloppy.
He's down. He got one. Don't touch it.
He just thrown like a, I don't know. I feel like
All done.
it's a little medieval, though.
Drink everybody back out. All right. We're clear.
It's always gonna be messy when you have fucking 50 guys coming in, busting the door in. I mean, I don't know. Good video. Weird choice for them to do that, I guess. I don't know. Someone always says that I'm wrong, so I'm just expecting it at this point, so I don't care. Go ahead. But no, I think that was a little bit sloppy. I don't think that was a clean move. Doesn't seem like y'all have done anything like this before. I mean, that felt like a first time. Next one's gonna be, can I pay my rent as a new Twitch streamer?